Now let's create a new WhatsApp connection. We need to go to our widget. It's right here on the tab of applications. If you don't see the widget here, just refresh the page. So here's the interface of our widget. We need this button, create connection. Now we're going to see the QR code here. All the information of what to do you see right in front of you. So I'm scanning the code right now. Okay, it's loading. And I think it's connected. Yes, it's connected. And now we're going to discuss what settings we have here. So add a new line. What does it mean? You know that there are open lines in Bitrix. So it allows you to select an existing communication line from your contact center. If you don't have one set up, you can simply choose this add new line button and the widget will automatically create a new open line and link it to your connection. Next setting that you see, it's by default disabled, but when it's enabled, an open line chat will be automatically created in the following scenarios. When sending an outgoing message through SMS, when launching a CRM marketing campaign, when initiating a conversation with a contact on WhatsApp, when using automation tools like bots and business processes. All this ensures seamless client engagement across various messaging channels. So be mind this setting. And also we can work in with groups. So it means if you have some group chats in WhatsApp, you also can enable this setting and you'll be able to work. Okay, it's very important that you always can go back to the settings and change if you want, if you need. Also, you can change the name of this connection, for example, also if you need it. And that's it. It's done.